Alright, before we continue writing the logic for storing the time and the RFID in the DB, I would like to optimize this logic. So you might have noticed in the last video that when I make this logic FB, I have another DB here. This DB is also the instance of the logic FB, and I've also made another DB where I have this information. But I don't like these two DBs outside. I want to combine these. So what I can do is, you can see this is my information like current time, set time, recent time, and these inputs and outputs. So what I can basically do is I will close this one, and if you open this information, this DB here, this DB is basically this DB here. Okay, so whatever changes you make here will be reflected in that. So we can actually put these values here, and then we don't need this DB at all. Okay, so what you can do is, in the input, now this is my input, set time trigger, so this will go, I will just copy this, maybe put here set time trigger, and this is a boolean, and I can just put it like this here, set time trigger. Okay, and now we can also do this set time, so I will just copy this one, which is also my input, so I will put it here. Now my return value, which is my set time, write time status, copy this one. Now this is my output, I will put it here, so this will be like this. Okay, now now I have this return value for the write, for the read status, copy, this is also my output, so I will put it here. Now this is the output of current time, so I will copy this one, and this is also my output, so let's bring it here. So now this FB has its own variables defined in its own DB, which is my logic DB, and this DB I will use as my global DB to link this value to this FB. Now how I can do that? So once I go back to my main program, you will see some changes here, and I will update this one. So now I have this logic FB with some variables. It is asking for some tags. Now I can put this here. So this is my set time trigger that comes here, set time, which will come from here, write time status, that's here, read time status, which is here, and current time. So basically it's the same. The logic will perform the same function as before, but it's just more optimized way. That's what we are learning in this lesson. We are just optimizing the way we program. So if I go inside this FB now, you will see these are the two functions written here for write and read. Okay, so this is just I want to explain before we proceed further. Now I'm going to download this, and you will see the same conditions. It will not change anything. Reinitialize and load. So it's loaded now, and you can see the time is same here, but basically it is reflecting here as well. The current time you can see here. Okay, so this I just wanted to update before I continue to the logic. So let's see the logic in the next video.